I have a question. 9 minus 6 times 6 minus 9. 9 minus 6 will give us 3, and 6 minus 9 will give us minus 3. When multiplied these two numbers, we will get minus 9. Hence minus 9 will be our answer. How we get minus 9? Because this portion will give us 3 and this portion will give us minus 3. After multiplying these two numbers, our answer will be equal to minus 9, which I have already solved for you. But remember that minus 9 is incorrect because we have not followed any order of operation. We have subtraction in this question, one multiplication, and again subtraction. So first of all, we have to handle this multiplication according to PEMDAS rule, which is a correct order of operation when different functions are involved. After parentheses and exponent, we have multiplication. Here is multiplication to handle. So we will get 9 minus 36 minus 9. This 9 is positive, this 9 is negative, so both are being cancelled and we will get minus 36, which will be our correct answer for this PEMDAS based question. Thank you for your good support.